Now, up next, an exclusive roundup of the week's key developments from Maharashtra in our Maharashtra 360.
Big decisions, long-term vision, global linkages defining Maharashtra's momentum. From infrastructure planning and water security to innovation partnerships and economic sustainability, here's a look at the top developments shaping India's largest state economy in this edition of Maharashtra 360. A decisive step that has been taken towards shaping Pune's future growth. Chief Minister Fadnavis chaired a high-level review meeting on the proposed Purandar Airport, and with rapid industrialization, urban expansion and rising investment in Pune and its surrounding regions, the Chief Minister directed that the Purandar Airport, the project, be accelerated. He stressed time-bound land acquisition, assured funding mechanism and clear accountability among key agencies to ensure swift execution of the project. The review meeting was chaired by Chief Minister Fadnavis. MIDC has now been directed to complete land acquisition within a fixed timeline. CIDCO has now been asked to ensure land availability at the planning stage itself. A funding proposal will be presented before the cabinet. Further, Maharashtra Airport Development Company will be strengthened and all upcoming airport projects will be routed through MADCL. Chief Minister Fadnavis attended a significant spiritual ceremony. The Sri Vigraha Murti Sthapna that was held at the Samadhi Mandir of Pujya Gurudev, Sri Swami Satyamitranand Giri Maharaj Ji. And this event brought together senior constitutional authorities, leading spiritual figures, underlining the Guru's lasting influence on India's spiritual tradition.
मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि विचारक तो कई होते हैं, लेकिन संत वही होते हैं जो जोड़ने का काम करते हैं। संत कभी तोड़ने का काम नहीं करते। और पूज्य गुरुदेव एक ऐसे संत थे जिन्होंने समाज को जोड़कर एक साथ लाने का कार्य किया।
The ceremony that was held at the Samadhi Mandir of Swami Satyamitranand Giri Ji Maharaj, where former President Ramnath Kovind and Punjab Governor Gulab Chand Kataria were present. Senior spiritual leaders, including Swami Avdeshananda Giri Ji and Swami Govind Dev Giri Ji, were also attending. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has taken serious note of massive traffic congestion on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. The disruption followed a gas tanker accident at the Borghat stretch, raising major safety concerns. The Deputy Chief Minister has directed authorities to put in place a dedicated emergency traffic management mechanism. Traffic was diverted to the old highway and the MSRDC and the police were asked to prepare a permanent emergency plan. Water Resources Minister Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil has reviewed the progress of the key river linking projects in Maharashtra. The projects aim to divert surplus water from Konkan to water-scarce regions. The review also focused on sustainable utilization of irrigation assets. The review covered the Damanganga Vaitarna Godavari and Ekdare Godavari links. Now plans include diverting the Krishna Basin flood water to the Bhima Basin. Surplus irrigation land may be developed through the eco-friendly tourism under the PPP module. Skill Development and Innovation Minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha has now launched the Saksham 2025-26 campaign in Mumbai. He said conserving oil and natural gas is an act of national service. The initiative aligns with India's Viksit Bharat goal. The campaign that was launched at the Ravindra Natya Mandir in Mumbai, and it focuses on reducing fossil fuel wastage and import dependence. The initiative also aims to minimize environmental damage through the responsible fuel use. A delegation from Karlsruhe, Germany visited Maharashtra State Innovation Society in Mumbai. The visit highlights growing innovation-led cooperation between Maharashtra and Germany. Discussions focused on long-term collaboration across key growth sectors. Now, the delegation represented Karlsruhe, which is a leading German innovation hub. Talks were held at the Maharashtra State Innovation Society. Collaboration opportunities in startups, manufacturing and skills were explored. And those were all of the updates that we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.